Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Big Little Lies Season 3. Big Little Lies had us hooked when it first appeared on our screens all the way back in 2017. Over seasons 1 and 2, we followed the women of Monterey, California through some seriously gripping drama, and naturally viewers are after more. Has Big Little Lies Season 3 been confirmed? It certainly looks like it. In November 2023, series lead Nicole Kidman gave fans a promising update while speaking at a Q&A event at the CME Group Tour Championship. I love Big Little Lies because it sort of came along at a time in my life when I had my children and I was thinking I was going to retire, and then the situation came along where Reese Witherspoon and I were able to produce that show. Then all of you watched it and made it a massive success. She spilled before adding, "We will be bringing you a third one, just FYI." And following this exciting development from Nicole Kidman, Reese Witherspoon has since given us a new update in January 2024. While appearing on the red carpet at the Golden Globes on 7 January 2024, Reese said in an interview with Variety she and Nicole were working on the new season. "We are working on it. Nick, Nicole Kidman and I have been working on it a lot." So far, HBO has not commented on the future of the series. It's still going to be a long wait. Although Kidman promised Season 3 is coming, it likely won't be soon. The star-studded cast has infamously busy schedules, and filming for the first 2 seasons wound up taking a couple of years. Even if Season 3 begins production soon, it probably would not air until 2025 at the earliest. What have the cast said about Big Little Lies Season 3? In November 2022, Zoe Kravitz told GQ she does not think a third season of Big Little Lies is on the cards, after the show's director, Jean-Marc Vallée, sadly passed away in December 2021. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.